So here's how you complete the first task, which is to create a Google slide. In the step-by-step directions, it says to take a picture, create a Google slide, name it about me, and insert a picture. I'm going to do these in a different order just because I'm going to take my picture from inside Google Slide. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Drive, go to New, Google Slides. In the Untitled Presentation section right here, this is the title of your slide. So I'm going to change this and name it About Me. And for this, I'm not going to use these, so I'm just going to delete them. You click on them, it turns blue. You move the mouse until you get this crosshair and just click delete, click on it and click delete. So I'm going to take my picture first. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, take a snapshot. This is permission to allow Google Slide to use your camera, so I'm going to allow it. And close it. And I just clicked on allow, even though that little radio button was on, I still clicked on it, and then my camera came on. So here I am. And I want to make sure I get a nice picture of me. Okay, that'll do. So here's my picture. Not the nicest picture in the world, but I click on it. This frame turns blue. These little squares tell you can resize it. This little, my mouse cursor will change to the arrows. That means I can manipulate the picture in some way. So I'm going to put it up here in the corner. There we go. That's fine. Now I'm going to insert a text box to put the information that I need. Oh, I guess I should go and finish reading my tasks because it says to write something about yourself, your name, site, teaching position. We'll just leave it at that. And then you're going to copy the slide. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do here. About me, my name, my teaching position, and my site. Okay, that's good enough for what we're doing. And I selected all the text. You just click and drag until you get to the whole text. Go to maybe like 36. I'm going to make this text box a little bigger. I accidentally grabbed the wrong box. Click that box. Make that a little bigger. So even though this text box is going into the picture, when I click out of it, you can't see it. You just see this. So that's good. Select this, make it bold. Just to give it some characteristics, I can move this around here, make it look nice, use my white space. I don't know. That looks good enough. For what we're doing, you can change the background, you can do some other things, but for our purposes, this is enough. So I'm going to go over into this left-hand column, click on the slide I just made. I could either right-click it and copy it, or go to Edit and copy it. Either way would work. Now, go back to my handout, and it says, so I copied it. Now it says open the class slide and paste your slide into it. Here's the class. Click on the class, click on the link that comes up. Here's the class slide. On the left-hand side, click below it, this black line comes on. I can either right click here on this black line and paste, or click on the, well, that's probably the best way to do it. Now my slide is in here. Now, however many slides are here, you just put yours at the very end. Just click on the black line and right click it and then paste. That's it. Let's go back and make sure. Yep, paste it in the slide. Task 1 is complete. We are done.